What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video and we are finally unboxing this Madam Glam package. So this is the collection that Madam Glam has released for September and it's called the Wanderlust collection. As you guys know, you do get 30% off of your Madam Glam orders with my discount code GoddessNails30. And you honestly can probably find 50% off all over the website. They always have tons of amazing deals. And my favorite part about their products is the fact that they are vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're palm oil-free, which means that they're environment considerate. And they're free of 21 plus toxins, or 21, they're 21 toxin free, which means that they are free of at least 21 toxins that are typically found in nail polishes. And the color selection is always like just wow. This one is called the Truth and it's like a light beige. Then we have the Stone of Hope, which this one is like, it's like more like a creamish color. This one is Purple Hero, which is my favorite. You guys are gonna flip. I love that color. And then we have Dreamer. And spoiler alert, in the next Madam Glam video, we will be using Dreamer. I did go ahead and create a little quick freestyle set. So you guys are going to see that. I'm just going to go ahead and swatch the colors. As always, I love this color palette. Like, I know I say that on all of my videos, and there are more colors in this collection. However, I chose 4 of them, and these were the colors that I chose. And I just felt like they were like very subtle fall vibes. It was like a fair transition between summer and autumn. And I really thought that was amazing, that this set and these colors gave me like still a little bit of a spring feeling, but like it's also easing me into like, okay, it's autumn, you know, the leaves are about to start falling from the trees. All the Halloween stuff is out. So I felt very comforted and I was very happy unboxing this collection and also thinking of a couple of nail sets to do. And honestly, I've never really, I mean, maybe like 1 or 2 times I have truly felt this way, but this set of polishes, all of them, I just wanted to wear them on my bare nails. I didn't even want to do much. I am going to create like a super cute look with them that are going to be like a short square look. But for now, you guys, I just literally did it on my natural nails. If you guys know me or you have followed me for a while, then I'm sure you know I like to have just a cute short nail that's like cut round and everything like that. So sorry to spoil, but that is what I ended up doing. So you guys are going to see that, and you're going to see how easy it is to do an at-home DIY manicure. And this product is very safe and it's very like it feels good to wear. It doesn't cause a lot of damage onto your nails, and you don't have to worry about strong odors. There's not heat spikes in the lamp. The list goes on and on and on. So I really do recommend this product and I personally love it. This product as in like the gel polishes from Madam Glam, I love them all. And I will go ahead and be sure in the blog post that I create to go with this video that I list previous Madam Glam videos that I have done so you guys can see more of their products. I have tons of colors from them that I still need to use and I'm really excited to use, so you guys just hang tight. But here are the swatches once they're cured. Okay, and walking right into the quote-unquote nail design. There's really nothing to it. We just went ahead and added 2 layers of this Madam Glam polish. Of course, if you have not seen any of my nail prep videos for long-lasting wear, I do put them in the description of all of my videos so you can see those. But if you did go ahead and prep the nails, then you would go ahead and apply the base coat gel, and then you would go ahead and go in with the first layer and give it a good cure, and then go in with the second layer and give it a full cure, and then you can go in with your top coat. It's up to you whether or not you want to wipe the nails with the alcohol prep pad. I normally do, and then I go in with the top coat. But that is literally how easy this was. And when you guys see the end result, you're going to be like, wow, that looks so good. So if you want to save 30%, feel free to use my discount code. If you find a 50% off discount code, definitely use it. It is totally worth it. And I guess this is it for now, you guys. But I have been posting daily, so you will see another video soon. And I will be able to have a chit chat with you guys before long. I'm going to go and film my Born Pretty video, and that video is going to be a bit longer than this one. And then of course you guys already know that we will be doing another Madam Glam video within the next couple of days. So I love you guys so much. Please drop a comment down below and let me know how much you love this color and you loved how it turned out. I especially love this color because it looks like a purple mixed with gray. And purple is like one of those colors that really makes you feel good and it uplifts your mood. And gray is like one of those staple like colors that are kind of like, oh, I don't want to exist, I'm just gonna blend in. And so to mix it and to make this color look so stunning is just like, wow, like you did that, sis. You really did that. But anyways, yeah, so we're going to go in with our top coat, and then we are going to use our cuticle oil from Madam Glam as well. And if you guys have seen previous uploads, then you know that I unboxed that, and I do recommend it. It's my, like, that cuticle oil and the Young Nails cuticle oil are my top favorites and most recommended cuticle oils. So yeah, I definitely love it. And actually, I have used this cuticle oil on clients before, and they love it too. But anyways, all right, you guys, I love you so much. I'll talk to you next one. Bye.